you wash your hands?
I can't wash my hands in there. I gotta go inside.
Oh, you're disgusting.
Here, let me
human
touch your
being.
face.
Disgusting human being. Disgusting.
Drywall day. Small job, so it's only a couple days. But
yeah, this is one day's worth of work.
we're finally getting everything closed up and ready to go. Getting ready to start doing the floors. And why are we doing the floors now rather than when cabinets are in?
Because it's terrazzo. We have to grind everything down. So we just have a board off for now. Kind of keep all this as clean as we can possibly get it. Pinky. Come in here, doing a primer on everything, and getting it all prepped and ready. So the rest of this house is just going to get painted out, and there's really no other construction throughout, but just new paint. Out here, this is going to get plaster. This is all plastered in the old carport, which is now a garage. So this is what it looks like. We're not doing this section because the owner decided to add a wine unit. That'll be added on later on. So we got to run some electrical up and over, some lighting, and so more insulation, stuff like that. But
Different insulation.
Different insulation.
Yep.
So at this stage, drywall's up. We have to call for an inspection on a drywall nail, which no one nails anything anymore. It's all screwed in, much more secure. But this is what it looks like. This is it. So the very next stage, once we get this all sort of cleaned up, is the terrazzo flooring, which we'll probably do a separate episode on that. You guys already seen our windows and doors. That's done. Window roofer. Bruce gonna help you?
Yeah, Bruce. They're making the material now for the fascia detail, and the foam roofing material is already here, but we gotta get the fascia detail first. And once that's done, then we can actually start painting everything outside and sort of get that area done. Put the TNG up.
Nice. We'll just take you through here. This has been blocked off. This doesn't get any drywall. This gets a clad detail, wood clad detail. Thank you. So along that back wall, along that wall, on the ceiling, up and over and down, that's all wood. So we're starting on exterior paint. We've got the beams primed, columns primed, and we have our fascia metal came in. He got a little distracted and was fixing some existing stuff up there. That's him at the top right there. That's all right. Yeah, he's going through and riveting this along here because it was falling down, Drew.
Oh, the old piece?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we went around the edge, perimeter edge, with a 2x4, and then in the middle, this gets a tapered foam. So we'll have tapered foam to the edge, and then we'll put our drip cap, our drip metal up here. So when you're close by, if you're standing over across the way, you can probably see it, but relatively close, you don't even see that. So that way it's a nice clean detail on the face. So I spent a little bit extra money doing that, but you get a nice looking detail in the end. So the next time you see us, we'll be doing terrazzo flooring. Right, Drew?
The daily grind.
The daily grind. Our cabinets are already ordered. They're being cut, and after terrazzo, then we'll be able to start
Get the rest of it in. Yep, we'll start seeing the end of it once we start getting finishes.
So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. See you.
Hit that like button. Tell us where we can get better, which is probably about everything. Except building houses, we're good at that. But on the video side of things.
Yeah, on the video side. Thanks for watching. If you like that, please hit the like button. Also, if you could please subscribe, it does help us out a lot. If you do have Instagram, you can follow us at Desert Custom Homes. You can also check our website out at desertcustomhomes.com. You can check out our past projects and latest projects. And we'll see you again next time.